How to replace the filters. To replace your filters, start by closing the valves on both sides of the system, then open the bypass valve. Next, press the pressure relief valve to depressurize the system. Open the drain valve to release the water. If you notice the drainage is slow, simply remove and clean the valve. Now loosen the filter housing using the provided wrench. To prevent it from falling, support the housing from the bottom and carefully unscrew it by hand. Remove the old filter and wipe down the inside of the housing to keep it clean. When you insert the new filter, double-check the O-ring to guarantee a watertight seal. Push the housing straight up into the cap and gently thread it in. Tighten it by hand first, then give it a final secure turn with your wrench. Install and close the drain ball valve. Simply repeat these exact steps for the remaining 2 filters. Once done, close the bypass valve and fill out your maintenance record. Testing and flushing. Now it's time for testing and flushing. Slowly open the inlet ball valves on both sides to a 45-degree angle. This allows water to enter the system gradually. Press and hold the pressure relief valve on top until all the trapped air is released and you see a steady flow of water. Finally, fully open the main inlet and outlet valves and let the system flush for 10 minutes. Congratulations! Your system is now ready and you can get back to enjoying clean water.